Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're eagerly waiting for that new gadget or electronics purchase from Best Buy, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to track your order on Best Buy in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is faster and more user-friendly than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Best Buy account. Head over to the Best Buy website or open their mobile app, both work seamlessly. Once you're in, look for the Account, or My Best Buy section, usually found in the top right corner. Click on that to access your profile. Next, navigate to the Orders page. This is where all your recent purchases are listed. You'll see a history of your orders, so find the one you want to track. It might show the order number, date, and status at a glance. Click on the specific order to open its details. Now, for the fun part, tracking. On the Order Details page, you'll find a Track Shipment button or a tracking number provided. Click it, and you'll be redirected to the carrier's website, like UPS or FedEx, where you can see real-time updates. In 2025, Best Buy has integrated even more features, such as estimated delivery times and notifications straight to your phone. If you run into any issues, don't worry. Double-check that your account details are up to date, and if the tracking isn't working, reach out to Best Buy's customer service through their chat support or help center. They're super responsive. Pro tip: enable email or app notifications for your orders to get updates without checking manually. And there you have it. Tracking your Best Buy order is quick and straightforward, helping you stay on top of your purchases. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.